In today's video I'll show you how to use the slash key to add scenes in Descript. Descript is a fantastic tool for video editing, treating it like a text document to maximize your professional efficiency. Before we dive into the editor, I'm starting right here on the Recents dashboard where you can see all your ongoing projects. I'll go ahead and select one of my existing projects from the list to open it up. Let's click on this project titled How to Change Video Orientation to get started. Now that our workspace has loaded, you'll see our text script clearly displayed on the left and the video preview panel over on the right. At the bottom of the screen, you can also see the standard timeline view. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. To begin editing, I am going to review the transcribed text on the left to find the exact moment where a visual change or a new scene is needed. I'm looking through the transcript and identifying the perfect break point in my narration to keep the visual pacing tight. Once I've found the spot, I will click my mouse to place the blinking text cursor exactly where I want the new scene to begin. In this case, right after the sentence ends on the right side. Now, instead of hunting through menus, I'm simply going to press the / key on my keyboard. Just like that, a visible scene break line instantly appears in the text document. If you look down at the timeline at the bottom, you'll notice that Descript has automatically split the track, generating a brand new scene thumbnail. This shortcut is incredibly efficient, saving you a massive amount of time during your editing workflow by completely bypassing the toolbar. You can now easily drag new visual assets directly into this isolated scene. And that's it, that's how you use the / key to add scenes in Descript.